This campaign has its own campaign brief and report authored by Xperience's campaign manager agent using the context of the customer data and the assets associated with the campaign. I could make the UX and messaging improvements to the personal banking homepage, but I don't want to disrupt other ongoing campaigns. Let's instead create a dedicated landing page we can use in social posts and email signatures to drive signups. My team has already started to create a dedicated newsletter signup landing page. The page is empty except for this form. I'll hide the header and footer to remove distractions for visitors. I also will add a hero banner to the top of the page. We can select content to populate the hero banner from Xperience's Content Hub. The Content Hub is a global repository of structured content I can reuse across all my channels managed in Xperience by Kentico, including web, email, and headless content and channels. It's easy to find heroes using the Heroes Smart folder. Here we can see there's a newsletter sign-up hero already in the Content Hub. I'll go ahead and use that. Stay informed and in control of your business finances by signing up for our newsletter. This messaging and this image don't quite match up with what I'm looking for my personal banking audience. Let's navigate directly to this item in the Content Hub. I could use Ira to modify this content right here where it is. But before I make any changes, let's use Xperience's Smart Content Reuse Locator to see if this content is being reused in any other channels or pieces of content. And yes, we can see it's being used in the business banking channel on a landing page named Newsletter Signup. We can navigate directly to that page and see this content being used in the business banking channel. So it looks like the team that set up this newsletter promotion for a business banking audience had the same idea that I did. So instead of disrupting their campaign and making changes to the content here, I'll just create my own content in line for this hero banner. I already have an image asset prepared, which I can drag over to the Smart Content Uploader. This image is not optimized for web experiences. Thankfully, Ira optimizes the image for me when I upload it and transforms it into a web-friendly format. It also populates the alt text and tags of the image from taxonomies that I defined using the content of the image. Ira also selects the focal point of the image so that the image displays correctly and no matter what variant of the image is displayed across my channels. I'll go ahead and save this content. That looks much better. I can now review this content and the landing page using Ira's Content Strategist agent.